Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y52 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this Vivo. Start by accessing Play Store. Now you need to download an app that you want to set up as your default one. In my case it will be Opera Mini. And then go into your device settings. Now you need to scroll down, choose Apps and Notifications. Tap on default apps over here, and if you want to change your default app, pick one of those. I will go with browser app and click on the one that you wish to set up. In my case it's Opera Mini, so I have to tap on it and simply go back. As you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!